Is it well supported by the research? I swear to God, guys, I have trauma from graduate school. Like, oh my gosh, those PhDs that were teaching us, they were brutal. So I'm sitting here working on my book outside. It's a gorgeous day today. And I'm working on the footnotes and getting those all organized. And then that limiting belief comes up. And do I have enough evidence to support all these things that I'm saying about midlife health in women and perimenopause and menopause? Yeah, I have a doctorate and I've been practicing for nearly 15 years, and I'm menopause board certified and orthopedic board certified and family nurse practitioner board certified. But do I know enough? And is it well supported by the research? I swear to God, guys, I have trauma from graduate school. Like, oh my gosh, those PhDs that were teaching us, they were brutal. They were brutal. But this is not an academic paper. I'm not submitting this for peer review. But I kind of am, because I'm sure some people will read it that are providers as well. And I hope they do, because honestly, it's sometimes better to read a book that breaks things down in a more simple way than going straight into the technical and the medical terminology. It's even good for us providers, because then we can go, yeah, that just makes sense. And it helps you to be able to explain it to your patients. They're not academics. They're not medical providers. They don't speak this language. Speak their language. And that's the whole point of this book, is to make sure that I speak the language, but also support what the hell I'm saying. That I'm not just, making these stats up. So it's coming down to the wire, guys. I'm finishing up my edits. It's scary. It's super scary putting a book out. I'm in my 40s and I'm finally putting my first book out. It's really cool too. It's exciting. It's scary. It's all the things. The feedback that I've gotten so far has been really awesome. That it's been very impactful, very helpful. My readers feel seen, and they can't wait to dive into the book itself and get the hard copy and write all over it, highlight it and share it. And I'm so happy. That's exactly what I want. I want women to feel seen and heard and understood, and to get insights that they didn't have before. No one told them these things. No one teaches us about our bodies. It's so dumb. And I was in all of this programs, all of this academics, all of this medical training. They didn't teach us nearly enough. Okay. It is this tiny, tiny little bit. And no provider gets enough training. We all have to, after we're done, go out and seek out more education on this. And thankfully it's becoming more and more of a thing, but it's just not well known. So I'm trying to add to that dialogue with evidence that is actually supported, not just theory or I did this with a few patients and it seemed to work. That's valuable, yes, but we also need to be careful about extrapolating that to everybody. I talk a lot about the differences between ethnicities and socioeconomic status and gender and orientation and things like that. It all matters. It makes a huge difference in access to care, in whether or not they get listened to at the doctor's office. Women in general, we feel like we don't really get listened to very well, but it's worse for some subpopulations of women than others. So the diversity lens is very important when we're looking at this and validating that for people, because you're not making this up. You're not being crazy. And as white woman here, I need to be more aware of that. I don't wake up in the morning having the same thoughts as a black woman does. I just don't. And I recognize that. I can't ever fully appreciate that, because I wake up in my body and my experiences, just like anybody else. You all have your own experiences. We just need to be aware of that. So I do my best to call that out in this book. When is it going to be published? Really soon. Really, really soon. I don't have an exact date, okay? I'm working on it right now. We're going to get it done in the next few weeks here, and we're going to get it up on Kindle, and it's going to be paperback, and I'm going to record the audio as well and upload that to Audible, and it's going to be great. I'm really excited. So just thought I'd come on and share that with you guys in case you're working on a project that is this is big and scary and I feel like I can't do it. You can trust yourself. Okay. You got this. You started this for a reason. This is on your heart for a reason, and you're here to show up and you're here to share with the world, because even if just one person is changed by what you have to say and is in better shape than when you found them, then you've done your job. That's all you need to do.